Are you a woodworking enthusiast or a professional carpenter looking to achieve that perfect finish on your projects? If so, a high-quality thickness planer is an essential tool for your workshop. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to find the right one that fits your needs and budget. In this video, we have narrowed down the top 7 thickness planers on the market. Our selection is based on extensive research, user reviews, and expert opinions, ensuring that you get the best value for your investment. Number 1. DEWALT DW735X Thickness Planer. The DEWALT DW735X Thickness Planer is designed for woodworkers who demand precision, durability, and ease of use. This powerful tool is perfect for both professional and hobbyist woodworkers, delivering high-quality results with every pass. Key features: provides 30% longer knife life and easy knife changes, optimizes cuts per inch at 96 or 179 CPI, vacuums chips off the cutter head and exhausts them out, twice as rigid as a standard 10-inch base, material removal gauge, ensures accurate cuts with every pass. Number 2. WEN PL1252 Thickness Planer. The WEN PL1252 Thickness Planer is an ideal choice for woodworkers seeking efficiency and precision on a budget. This versatile planer can handle a variety of woodworking tasks, delivering smooth and accurate results. Key features: planes boards up to 6 inches thick and 12.5 inches wide. A 15-ampere motor generates 20,000 cuts per minute. Includes 2 reversible 12.5-inch SK5 blades. Depth adjustment from 0 to 1/8 of an inch per pass. Number 3. CRAFTSMAN CMEW320 Thickness Planer. Looking for a reliable and efficient planer? Check out the CRAFTSMAN CMEW320. This planer is designed to handle both hard and soft wood, making it a versatile addition to any woodworking shop. With its powerful loader and innovative features, the CRAFTSMAN CMEW320 ensures smooth operation and long-lasting performance. Key features: the 15-ampere motor provides power for both hard and soft wood. Poly V cutter head drive allows for maximum stock removal. 2-knife, quick change, solid steel cutter head mounted on ball bearings. High carbon steel, double-edged, reversible knives. Vacuum port for efficient dust collection. Number 4. DEWALT DW734 Thickness Planer. For those who need a high-performance thickness planer that can handle larger and deeper cuts, the DEWALT DW734 is an outstanding option. Its powerful motor and precision features make it ideal for both professionals and hobbyists, aiming for the finest finishes on their woodworking projects. Key features: handles larger, deeper cuts in hardwoods with a 20,000 revolution per minute motor. Offer 30% more knife life and enable quick, easy knife changes. Drastically reduces movement that causes snipe. Provide 33:1/2 inches of material support. Equipped with a vacuum port for efficient dust collection. Number 5. Makita 2012NB Thickness Planer. If you need a thickness planer that combines portability with performance, the Makita 2012NB is an excellent choice. Its compact design, low noise level, and user-friendly features make it perfect for both job sites and home workshops. Key features: easy to transport to job sites due to its compact design and lightweight. Engineered for faster, easier blade changes with disposable double-edged blades. Operates at 83 decibels, providing operator comfort with the quietest planer in its class. Features a 4-post design and diagonal cross supports for enhanced stability. Supports the workpiece with large table extensions. Number 6. VEVOR 13-inch Benchtop Thickness Planer. The VEVOR 13-inch Benchtop Thickness Planer is designed for woodworkers who demand precision and efficiency. With its high-quality construction and powerful loader, this planer provides excellent support for a variety of projects, ensuring smooth and accurate results every time. Key features: Planes boards up to 6-inch thick and 13-inch wide with 35-inch total length support. Solid steel, quick change cutter head for smooth performance. 24 frequency modulation for quick planing or 15 frequency modulation for a smoother finish. 23,500 revolution per minute motor for fine finishes with a 20 ampere overcurrent protector. Vacuum port for convenient dust collection. Number 7. Delta 22555 thickness planer. The Delta 22555 thickness planer is built to handle demanding woodworking tasks with ease. Its robust design and user-friendly features ensure smooth, accurate, and efficient planing, making it a valuable addition to any workshop. Key features: capable of handling the most demanding jobs, provides excellent stability for smooth, accurate planing. Dual-edged disposable knives for easy changes. Better support for long pieces, reducing snipe. Collects chips from either side of the planer. No-slip grip positioned close to the cutter head for improved finish. Thanks for watching. Remember, the key factors to consider when selecting a thickness planer include the motor power, cutting depth, ease of use, and additional features like dust collection and noise reduction. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful reviews. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on our latest content.